Two ships of the German Navy dangerously approached Russian territorial waters. A few hours ago, the warship Saxon and the patrol boat Skaz of the German Navy made a dangerous approach to Russian territorial waters near the Kaliningrad region. It is known that the ships, moving at a speed of about 12 knots, took a direct course towards Russian territorial waters. The approach, judging by the image, was about 40 to 50 kilometers. However, Germany did not explain what such actions were connected with. The situation occurred against a backdrop of entering the Baltic Sea two American missile destroyers, which was previously reported by the Avia.pro news agency. The latter carry about 186 cruise missiles on board. Given the appearance of German warships near Russian territorial waters, this is a matter of serious concern. It is known that with the appearance of two American ships in the waters of the Baltic Sea, the ships of the Baltic Fleet of the Russian Navy were also sent to track them. This does not exclude the possibility that German warships are also being monitored. Moreover, it also became known that Russia began conducting exercises with the use of Bastion coastal missile systems.